Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Class 7th, subject General Science, chapter Transportation in Plants and Animals. In last lecture, we have discussed about circulatory system, the system which helps us in the transport of materials in humans. That's a circulatory system. Meon circulatory system chasa, achis component asa, agos fluid component, yat plasma vanachas, begos solid component, which is formed of cells, that much RBCs. WBCs became platelets. Last lections पर में about RBCs, red blood cells. इमन बेख नाव वना छे लीको, समझ वना बेख नाव सॉरी erythrocytes. Those main functions they help in the transport of oxygen from lungs to all cells of the body. They also help in the transport of some amount of carbon dioxide. As per us, one back of topic. Back type of component of the blood, that's known as white blood cells. White blood cells is WBCs. White blood cells, they are also called leukocytes. That's called leukocytes. So WBCs are also called leukocytes. Use RBC red blood cells. They are red in color. Hemoglobin pigment hemoglobin. But leukocytes white blood cells colorless. They are colorless. They are irregular shaped cells. Colorless. They are colorless. Because they lack pigment. Lack pigment so colorless. Because موجود pigment colorless بیٚیہِ میون یُس RBC چھُ تِم چھِ disc shaped آسان almost circular in shape یِم چھِ آسان irregularly shaped cells تِم چھِ آسان میون یُس RBC چھِ آسان they are present in lakes لَچھَن منٛز چھِ آسان 50 lake maximum 50 lakes آسان مگر یُس یِم cells چھِ آسان WBCs یِم چھِ آسان they are few in number but are bigger in size than RBCs یِم چھِ کم یِمن quantity چھِ کم آسان quantity is very calm as compared to RBCs. But your size is a board, madam irregularly shaped. Almost amoeba like us, amoeba shaped cells. They continue to change their shape. Use WBC chasa, main function chasa, chest protect against germs. Chest provide immunity. So they provide immunity. That means agar sai body must foreign agent as microbe as germ that kill kara kill my WBCs. So they help us to fight against infection. Infection is bachava. Send soldiers of the body. Soldiers of the so RBC they help in the transport of oxygen and some amount of carbon dioxide. But WBC main function to the yard help kara to fight against germs that enter our body. So they just protect kara from diseases, from infections. Platelets. Platelets they are the third component of the blood. These platelets they are also called thrombocytes. You mention as WBC leukocytes, they mention as thrombocytes. Thrombocytes. You platelets colorless. But round in shaped. Spindle shaped. It's a round shaped, it's a spindle shaped cells. They are also formed in the bone marrow. Platelets. This platelets clot, clot at the site of injury. Red clot. So help kara to stop blood. So it helps to stop bleeding of blood. So help kara as continuous as blood gets lost because banawa clot platelets. Still to yard RBC red in color hemoglobin they help in the transport of oxygen from lungs to all parts of the body. They also help to transport some amount of carbon dioxide which is formed after respiration. Empathus or WBC they are also called leukocytes. But they are bigger in size than RBCs. Those man they fight against germs that enter our body and protect us from infections or diseases. Platelets they are also called thrombocytes. कलर राउंड टीनी सेल्स विच आर ऑल्सो फॉर्मड इन द बोन मैरो कम क्या हेल्प करा टू स्टॉप ब्लीडिंग ऑफ ब्लड बना आज जाए क्लॉट रेड क्लॉट दैट इज ऑल फॉर टुडे